Here we are at the dedication of the Vila Brothers Park in West Tampa, where the Vila family grew up. Right here in West Tampa, 14 children. Carmen was the matriarch. Incredible family. All 7 brothers served our country in different branches of the military. So the least we could do was build a park in their honor. And we have the monument right back here, so anyone for generations to come that comes into the Vila Park will understand the service and sacrifice of the Vila family. This is a great day in Tampa.
3, 2, 1. Woo!